Out here in the great room, and you can see one of our favorite elements is how open this is. So as we take you through here, you can see we're gonna have this big corner multi-slider. You can see this nice clean corner of the slab. We have this nice open corner, right? We have this beautiful fireplace, our nice herringbone pattern. It's an isochrome fireplace, all built in place. Here we are now at this corner. So this slider is gonna pocket in this wall. This multi-slider will pocket in that wall. And so you think of the coordination. We've talked a lot about pull plan. Pull plan, P-U-L-L, is a process used in vertical construction and commercial construction, where you're coordinating a lot of people and you're having to stagger or sequence the construction schedule. Well, the advantage of pool planning from our side is to understand details such as this. So for example, we have a custom home that'll be starting next month in June, and we're a month away. So now that we have a target start date, we're gonna pull in all the trades into our pool plan meeting. We're gonna sit down and we're gonna schedule this house very tightly for the first 6 months. And this allows us a couple things. One, we can get all the subcontractors on schedule with commitments. So they understand what we're demanding at AFT, what we expect them to do, and now our superintendents can drive that schedule. It'll save us an amazing amount of time. But it's really important that as we're sitting down with them to understand those details. So as we walk here, this is our kitchen. This is our dining room. In our dining room, we have this amazing countertop. We're gonna have cabinetry here, right? So we've laid out the cabinetry. We're gonna have a countertop that extends out to the outdoor kitchen and bar. And we have a multi-slider window that's sitting on the countertop. Well, this slider will now pocket into the wall. Very similar to what you saw in the great room. And here's one other component that makes it a little bit more tricky, is now we have another slider, but this is a door that now comes in here. So we have a multi-slider this way, a little slider this way, and a countertop this way. Well, one of the keys for the coordination at our pool plan meeting with our window company, with our cabinet company, our countertop company, our framer, is understanding, okay, we have a full high door and we have a half window. They're gonna butt. We need to seal this, right? We need to make sure that we don't have dust and debris and wind coming in. So there was a lot of coordination and expertise that went into this detail to understand when this is finished and we're wrapping a waterfall countertop and you're putting in cabinetry, that we know 100% that this door is gonna match up to that waterfall countertop, which is a different substrate than the window itself. And it's super important to pre-schedule, understand, get everything decided before you break ground. I know our customers are anxious to get started. They've spent a year in pre-construction. We're anxious to get started. We want to get the project going, but understand the details, get them scheduled, get them in the books, and then allow you to build more efficiently, which will make a better and happy client in the end.